Hello all, welcome. In this video we are going to see about CAM pathway. It is also known as crassulacean acid metabolism. It comes under plant physiology, unit 6 of Iicsirnet Life Science category. And you are watching this on Life Science Library. First, we are going to see about what is CAM metabolism. Crassulacean acid metabolism occur in xerophytic plants. These plants occur in desert areas. These plants occur during drought in highly drought condition. These plants are called as succulent plants. These plants are succulent plants because they are very thorny and they are grown in water deficient areas. To prevent water loss, these plants are so succulent. These plants store water in their stem and leaves, and they also prevent loss of water since they are growing in water deficient areas. The characteristics of these plants are known as succulents. Best example for these plants of this kind of plants include cactus and all other variety of plants that is grown in hot desert areas. This is an overview of the characteristics of plants that possess CAM pathway. Now we are going to see about in detail about this CAM pathway. We are going to see this CAM pathway under two cases. Case 1, we will see when stomata is open. What will happen when stomata is open and what will happen when stomata is closed. Other unique thing about this is stomata is open during dark and stomata remain closed during day. This is a unique feature about CAM plants. They possess this kind of characteristics to prevent loss of water. This is about the two cases of CAM plants. First case, we are going to see what will happen during dark time. During dark, stomata is open. During dark, stomata is open. So open stomata, what will happen? The stomata is open, it permit the entry of water, entry of carbon dioxide, and it also leads to loss of water and entry of carbon dioxide takes place. Entered carbon dioxide. So the entire cycle occurs in mesophyll cells. Only in mesophyll cells, no other cells are involved. Occur only in mesophyll cells. Starch stored in chloroplast is converted into trirose phosphate to give rise to phosphoenol pyruvate. The carbon dioxide that entered these mesophyll cells form HCO3 minus. With the action of phosphoenol pyruvate, they form oxaloacetate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is carboxylated to form oxaloacetate. And this oxaloacetate is reduced to malate. So, reduction takes place here. NADH is reduced with the help of enzyme NAD plus malate dehydrogenase and they form malic acid. It is stored in vacuole. So malic acid is formed in large quantities during dark time and they are stored in vacuole. This is the overall mechanism of what happened in mesophyll cells during dark time. So at night this phosphoenol pyruvate capture carbon dioxide is captured by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase. This thing occurs in the cytosol. This is cytosol. This is vacuole. This is chloroplast. And this entire thing occurs in mesophyll cells. To form oxaloacetate is reduced to malate and then to malic acid. Hope this picture is visible and this explanation is clear. Next we are going to see about what will happen during daytime, that is during light. During light, stomata is closed to prevent transpiration. So closed stomata prevent carbon dioxide loss and water loss and carbon dioxide uptake. So carbon dioxide will not enter into the mesophyll cells, into the cytosol of mesophyll cells. Here malic acid, which is already produced during dark time, is stored in vacuole. This malic acid is converted into malate. Malate is transported to cytosol and this malate is decarboxylated by NADP plus malic enzyme to form pyruvate. Pyruvate is transported into chloroplast and they form starch. Meanwhile, the conversion of malate to pyruvate will produce carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will enter into Calvin cycle. So here chloroplast is involved, vacuole is involved. This entire process occurs in cytosol of mesophyll cells. This whole reaction occurs in mesophyll cells. Bundle sheath cells are not involved in CAMP pathway. Carbon dioxide is not present, so carbon dioxide will not enter into mesophyll cells. During light time, malate is transported from vacuole to cytosol of mesophyll cells. Here reduction takes place by the enzyme NADP plus malic enzyme. Carbon dioxide is reduced. Malate is reduced to pyruvate. Pyruvate enter into chloroplast to form starch. And this carbon dioxide enter into the stoma to carry out Calvin cycle. Hope this process is clear and why this process occur, where this process occur, how this process occur and what are the two cases. Case 1, during dark time stomata is open and during light time stomata is closed. During dark time stomata is open, so carbon dioxide enter into the cell. So carbon dioxide can make an entry into the chloroplast of the cell. Phosphoenol pyruvate is carboxylated to form oxaloacetate, then reduction with malate dehydrogenase to form malate and then malic acid. Phosphoenol pyruvate comes from chloroplast. Here carbon dioxide is not present, so carbon dioxide will not enter into the cell. Malate is reduced to pyruvate by NADP plus malic enzyme. Pyruvate is transported into chloroplast to form starch. Carbon dioxide produced as the result of reduction enter into Calvin cycle inside chloroplast. So here also three organelles involved. Entire cycle takes place in mesophyll cells. Hope this pathway becomes clear to everyone. We have seen about definition, examples, mechanism and all the two cases along with the enzymes and diagram. We have seen everything in this video. Hope this video is clear and useful. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you.